Hello, we are group number 15 and the application that we are going to build is a native file sharing application comprising of a ton of features for file converting and others. In our crew, we have 5 members: Bhavesh, myself Kaushik Rishi, Karthik, Srinir and Manideep. And heading over first, we'll be explaining the problem statement and motivation behind.
So the first problem that we encounter whenever we want to share a file with an unknown person or in a social medium forum is that we either need to post it in the forum and tell people the directions to find that file, or go through a hard process of sending the file by uploading it in a cloud service like Google Drive and sharing it to each and every person. And also when there is a case of sharing or request a file with an unknown person we don't know, so we need to contact him personally, or we need to uh, ask him personally on the social media and then request for that file.
As my fellow team member Bhavesh has raised some reasonably good problems regarding the motive behind our project, now we would like to solve these problems to ensure that we provide an easily accessible file sharing application. Our aim is to develop an application to share the file instantly with a single click without uploading to a personal cloud service. We are also like to provide features like converting the file between different formats and also providing links for the images so that they can be embedded into a HTML document. And we can also share the file within a group of people, providing the user IDs of the people who will be given access to the file. And lastly, our application is a user friendly application, and we are also likely to provide forums for file application to make it as simple as for the user to upload and download the file.
Starting with the functional description and the features of our application, the first core module of the project is a file sharing module wherein the user sends a post request to the server with the file, and he gets back a link as a response which he can share with any other person who wants to access the file. And next, the next module is accessing the files uploaded by a certain user. Whenever the user requests for a file based on the URL, the server checks for the file and responds to the user with a link to the certain file wherein he can download the file or embed it in an HTML document. The next module is authentication module. This is one of the most important modules in our project because we have provided certain access levels for different files, and we are planning to implement it using JWT, that is JSON Web Token, and cookies and sessions. And the next module is discussion forum module. We have also planned as an added advantage that we wanted to include a discussion forum in our website wherein user can publicly request for some files. So whoever has that file, he can respond like with a link or directly upload that in the forum itself. And next, the access levels that I've spoken about. Whenever you are uploading a file, we'll be given options like whoever you want to restrict the file to view based on the given user IDs. And also, we'll also provide an option for self-destructing files. This is very interesting because if the user selects that he wants to destroy the file in 5 minutes, after 5 minutes the link will be invalid.
The tech stack we'll be using for this application would be, for the front end, we'll be using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a framework called Materialize CSS. For the database, we'll be using either MySQL or PostgreSQL. And for the backend, we'll be using either Django or Node.js according to our requirements. And for the final hosting and deployment, we'll be using free hosting on Heroku.
Hello, I'm Bhavesh. In the front end part, I'll be contributing by doing page designing and styling. And then coming to the back end part, I will be working with model designing and then discussion forums.
My name is Srinir, and in the front end, I'll be working on wireframing and page animation. In the database design, I'll be working on designing the database and the foreign key relations. In the back end, I'll be working on user authentication and permission and also serving the file based on URL.
Hello sir, I'm Mandeep, and in the front end part I'll be contributing to page design and page animations. Coming to the back end part, I'll be dealing with user authentication and also helping in building the discussion forums.
My name is Karthik, and my role in the project is to do styling in the front end and also to work on discussion forums in the backend.
This is Rishi and I'll be working on the wireframing of the website and the styling, and for the database design part I'll be contributing to it, and on the back end I'll contribute to serving the file based on the URL and also the discussion forums and the user authentication part. Okay, discussing about the software components and models, we'll be having these three main models. One is the user model, the upload model and the file details model. The user model stores the basic data of the user like the username, the password, which will be storing in a hashed format so that the database is free from vulnerabilities. And the upload model saves the data of the upload, like when the file was uploaded and the tags that the file was given and the date and time of upload and etc. And the file details model actually contains the metadata of the file, like the id of the file size, file type and the time of creation of the file, that's actually coming from the operating system. Okay, so looking at the high level overview of the working of our application, there is a single server and multiple clients who want to share files. So let's say for a use case, a client 1 want to share files with a client 2. So what he does is he uploads an audio file to the server, making a post request, and the server responds to the client 1 with a unique URL of the uploaded file. So client 1 now has the unique URL which he can share with anyone who wants to access that audio file. So let's say client 2 wants to access the file. So client 1 sends the URL to client 2, and when he makes a get request to the server searches the database for that unique URL hash value and returns client 2 the exact file that he wanted to access. The future improvements that we are planning for this website are: we'll be redesigning the entire website using the REST framework, and also we'll work on folder uploads and resumable file uploads and downloads using the TUS protocol. This is Group 15 and thank you.